Welcome to the unexplainable.com vendor panel tutorial. We have another tutorial available which you should view, which will go over current balances, hold balances, withdrawal process, transaction history, and everything down here. This video is going to cover all else. After signing up, first order of business is going to settings and shop icon. Create yourself a 285 by 285 pixel shop icon. The reason this is important because popular shops show up on the unexplainable.com homepage if and only if there is an icon uploaded. No icon, no homepage listing. Next, upload yourself a banner or a header image on your store. Makes your store look more professional and will probably increase conversions. Take the time and get yourself a nice banner. After those are set up, you could go on to adding your products. We allow two different type of product categories here. One is instant downloads, can be MP3s, audios, lectures, PDF files, videos, programs, and whatnot. Anything that you could deliver instantly. They all have to be in a zip file. The second type of product you may sell are customized products where you have to prepare and deliver a little later after you collect information such as astrology reports, tarot readings, psychic readings, and whatnot, where you're going to have to collect the customer's name, birth dates, or whatever information you need to create your product. So let's say you are selling a psychic reading. You have to collect the customer's name, a location, age, whatever you need. You're going to have to create a thank you page so you can collect this information. After purchase, the customer will be directed to the thank you page you create here. So you could add a new one and you could put your page name. Thank you for purchasing my astrology report in the HTML. Your product will be delivered within 72 hours and I thank you for your purchase. But I am going to need some information for you to give you an accurate reading. Please email me your date of birth, name, city, location, whatever you need. You got to collect that information and thank the customer and let them know you are going to process their order within 72 hours after receiving their information. Then you're going to create the page. After you create the page, your thank you page will be in there and you can view it, edit it, delete it, deactivate it, or activate it. Okay, now let's go to the add new product category. Here I'm going to go to digital because all our products are digital. Here we're going to sell our psychic reading. Psychic readings. Next category, we're going to do psychic readings. Oh, it's asking for a subcategory because we could do tarot, runestone, or other ones. So we're going to select tarot reading. This is not going to be an instant download. It's going to be a thank you page because you have to prepare it. In the thank you page URL, you're going to pick the thank you page that you made that corresponds to this product. Thanks for your purchase. Here, you need an image. Has to be 600 by 600 pixels exactly. So you're going to upload a 600 by 600 pixel image of your product. You're going to hit check mark to select it. If you want to include more images, they all have to be 600 by 600. You could open up the gallery, upload files, hold down the control button, select your images that you want in your product listing, and hit open and done, and save them in there. Next, the price. I'm going to charge a customer $63.99 for this psychic reading. You could add a previous price if it's legitimate only. Next, product description. This is your pitch page. You could put HTML right in there if you pre-design it. You could use our WYSIWYG composer. You're going to sell your product in a legitimate manner. You're going to abide by national rules of the United States. You're not going to false advertise. You're not going to make bogus promises. You're going to write a legitimate pitch page selling your product. This psychic reading, blah, 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 you know. Okay, next. If you have a YouTube video that associates with your product, you can insert it here, the URL. It will show a play button next to the video title, next to the product title, so the customers can watch your video. Search engine optimization, if you wish to add meta tags, descriptions, keywords, tags, and you could create your product. So it looks like we are set here. We're going to create a product. Now if we go into products, all products, here is my psychic reading product for $63.99. You would do the exact same procedure if you wanted to add an instant download. Add new product, digital, exact same, but instead of selecting thank you page, you would put instant download, choose a file, which is a zip file only, open, and you're set, and you could save that product the exact same way, and all your products will be listed under all products. Okay, that covers products and settings. Next, orders, all orders. So any order that comes in instantly goes into the pending status. It doesn't matter if it's an instant download or if it's a thank you page product. They all go into pending. It is your job to keep track of your orders and mark them as completed. Instant downloads can be marked as completed instantly, but anything that you have to deliver to the customer, such as psychic reports, has to be marked as completed once the sale is completed, which means you can't mark it as complete until you deliver the product. Then mark it as complete. You can see the details of the sale, all your information, if it's completed, the prices. Okay, so those are your orders. Next, you have your dashboard, which in the dashboard, it'll show you all your products. You can just click to view all to go right to the products page. Total items sold. If you have any pending, you look at this. It'll tell you if there's any pending ones that you need to close or mark as complete or process. And you'll also have your messages. Now, you will have to support your customers and potential customers. They are going to contact you with questions, concerns, problems, disputes, and you're going to have to take care of your customers. So check your messages, keep them closed. After you close them, they go away. Open ones means there's more messages you have to handle. Take care of your customers. And finally, you could view your store by hitting the view store icon. And whatnot. Okay, so that's the basis of your vendor panel. You could control your settings, add your products, view your orders, work your dashboard, or view your store. Again, view the video about current balances and withdrawals, because that's going to explain that process. And do good.